In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble a mechanically interlocked reversing contactor using two mcg 65 amp contactors, a mechanical interlock, and mcg reversing wire kit. First, you're going to take your one mcg 65 amp contactor and your mechanical interlock. You'll find the two grooves on the bottom side. They'll line up with the two grooves on the mechanical interlock, and they'll just slide in together and click in. And then you'll take your second mcg contactor, find the two grooves, and they'll slide in with the notches on the mechanical interlock. Now you have a mechanically interlocked contactor. So when one's energized, the other cannot be energized, and vice versa. When this one's energized, this one cannot be energized. You're then gonna take your reversing wire kit. So they're gonna be labeled RST, and this one's gonna be labeled UVW. And on the contactor itself, it's gonna be labeled UVW on the load side, and on the line side, it's gonna be labeled RST. So you'll then take your one corresponding wire kit, you'll fit it accordingly in the correct spot. You want to loosen up your screws so you can slide in the wire kit, like so. And then you want to tighten your screws so the wire kit will not come out. And then you'll take your other wire kit. So this one is the RST for the line side. And then you're gonna take it, it'll slide in like so. And same process, you're just gonna tighten down the screws so the wire kit will not fall out. And you are done. You now have a mechanically interlocked reversing contactor.
Contactors, along with hundreds of other products, are available at mcg-usa.com.